What's up, you guys? We got a Toyota 4Runner here. We're gonna replace this rear wiper blade. I'm sure you guys have difficulty taking this guy off. As you can see, it doesn't even lift up much, and as you can see, you cannot get that wiper blade off. I'm gonna show you a trick. Let me put this down. Let me show you a part number. Okay, well, there's no part number, it just goes by inches. There's got to be a part number. There's a tag here, and that's about it. But pick up a good wiper blade, and we're gonna grab our light. I'm gonna show you a small little trick how to replace this guy. It's all a matter of you trying to get this thing to turn, okay? And guess what? Do this. Take this guy off right here. Okay, if you take this guy off, see that? All it has is like a little retainers. So you yank on it from each side, and it comes right off, and it has a little retainer right there. So all you do is you pull on it side to side. This thing comes off. That little guy goes right in the center. Let's put this to the side, and watch this. Look at that. Look how simple was that. Now we should be able to do this, okay? So it's all about you trying to get it up in the air. Once you get it up in the air, and all you do is you pull on this, and then once it's in this position, you pull out on it, and it comes right off. Make sure this does not slam back. You don't want that. Let's go get our new wiper blade. So you're never gonna find this original wiper blade. If you try to get this, you're gonna have to get it from dealer with this little guy, but that's something we cannot find. Anyways, take a new wiper blade. If you want to get it from dealer, that'd be the best thing you could do, but I usually like to buy stuff from local area. But this thing is okay because it's gonna slip on, only it guides it, and that's it. And then it comes and sits right there, and that's it. You're done. Bada bing, bada boom. That's how simple that was. You take this little guy, you stick it on, and clip it right back on. It's gonna take you no more than 2 minutes to change that wiper blade. And anytime if you change the front wiper blades, and if it's gonna sit on the glass, make sure you wipe off the glass. This thing is garbage. And we're all done. Thank you for watching. And replacing front wipers are as simple as just lifting them in the air. And these things got a lot of lids on it, but I do have a ton of other videos how to change wiper blades, and you can check those out. Anyways, guys, thank you for watching.